What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So I'm at AMMONYC and here's the R8 wrapped in Vivid Gloss Nardo Gray. If you want this film, it'll be in the description below. I'll put a link there for you guys, but it's been holding up great. Wrapped it just under a year ago, and we're here to do a brand new print on it. He's just pulling up right now in his Porsche, the world famous Porsche that a lot of people know about who follow him. If any of you are following me, for example, you'll know. I took it out for a spin just now. But we're going to be rewrapping this car in a print film designed by Orifel, and it's going to be an incredible project. I'm really looking forward to it. Now, I want to take you for a walk around of the car and show you what's going on, because it's good to see how this wrap job is holding up after about a year. This was a bit rushed, and when I got here, I actually had no idea what I would be doing. I actually thought that the car was going to be like prepped and disassembled and ready to go, and I would just be wrapping it in like a day and then heading out. I ended up staying for a little bit longer and getting the project done. But I'll take you around. Now, this hood, this front end actually has PPF on it, so there was a bit of discrepancy as far as might see some lines and stuff like that around the edges, and that's pretty much it. The rest is got some minor stuff here and there, but nothing too crazy. Let's have a look at it. I've got my gimbal, so I'm excited to use it. I've never used it. Let's take you for a tour. All right. So, the front bumper has a little bit of rash on the bottom of it. Things are holding up well, I gotta say, for how quickly I did do it. I am happy with it. Could have been a little bit better. It would have been nice to have been able to touch it up a little bit. We all know that nobody's perfect, and sometimes mistakes do happen. And with him being so far, it doesn't make things easy to touch up. So one thing I want to show you here is how I laid into the recess here. Well, we don't have any lifting or bubbling, and a lot of that is to do with actually just laying into the recess. So he's getting a rewrap done because of that right there. So his tent moved, caused a lot of damage, kind of a bummer, but hey, the Nardo Gray is looking really, really good actually, and but we're gonna do something different. A couple of other things I want to show you here is right around here. So right in here, this is the key point right here. There's twisting, okay? Do you see that? The twisting is caused by the vents being too tight and vibrating, and this can happen as we see it, right? Obviously this is not wrapped. You can see that, sorry, it's not the installer's fault because of the way the pattern goes. This whole thing was removed. This entire piece was removed, and the bumper was wrapped, and then it was reinstalled. So a way to avoid this happening is to not wrap so far around or in and stuff like that. You can see all around the exhaust and stuff like that, it's holding up nicely. And then there's a seam right here. I did an inlay. Can barely tell. It's still looking good. There's the embossing. Still looking good too. Check it out around. Question is always the bumpers. How do they go? This bumper actually has PPF on the rear section right here, which is so weird. So same thing over here, even with the keyhole and stuff. I'll show you that. So with the keyhole, it's still holding up in there. Probably should have taken the door handles off. I'll take them off this time. Let's just have a good look at it. So the hood has PPF. They did it in seams actually. can't remember where now. I actually almost don't even see the line. It's cool, actually. Hides it really well. That's pretty much it. I wanted to show you what was going on with the R8 and how it was looking after all this time, because it's been a while and it's good to see what a project like this looks like. And that's it, guys. So I'm excited for the new print and the new wrap that we're going to do. We're going to do some videos on that. Larry's obviously doing his thing on this because it's an amazing video. It's going to be super detailed. It's going to let you know about all the details that go into actually designing, printing, laminating, the film itself, the characteristics of that, and how we have to install it. Looking forward to the video, and I'm super looking forward to the video because it's probably actually going to teach me some stuff that I don't know, even though I was there for some of it. Anyways, I appreciate it very much, and thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Take care.